Welcome. Are you in need of portable chargers? With the rising popularity of electric vehicles, EVs, the demand for portable charging solutions has soared. Whether you're on a road trip or require a quick charge on the go, portable EV charging stations provide convenience and assurance. Discover 5 top-rated portable EV charging stations that are transforming mobility for the better. 1. EcoFlow Delta. The EcoFlow Delta stands out as a reliable solution for powering various devices in situations where electricity may not be readily available. With its 1,260 WH capacity and 1,800 WAC output, it offers substantial power to keep essential appliances and gadgets running during power outages or off-grid adventures. One of its notable advantages is its versatility in charging options. Whether it's through solar panels, a car charger, or an AC wall outlet, users have multiple ways to replenish its energy reserves. The fast charging capability, especially when paired with EcoFlow's solar panels, ensures minimal downtime, crucial during emergencies or remote expeditions. Its range of ports makes it convenient to connect various devices simultaneously, catering to diverse power needs. Moreover, the option to expand its capacity with additional battery packs offers flexibility for users requiring even more power. The EcoFlow Delta isn't just a standalone product, it's part of a series that includes models like the Delta Max and Delta Pro, each offering different capacities and features to suit various requirements. For those interested, EcoFlow provides further details and options through their website. 2. Jackery Explorer 500. The Jackery Explorer 500 portable power station is a robust and versatile solution designed to power a wide array of appliances, from low to high power devices for extended durations. With an impressive battery capacity of 518 WH, it ensures reliable and long-lasting power wherever you may need it. Whether you're embarking on outdoor adventures or seeking a backup power solution for emergencies at home, the Explorer 500 has you covered. Its ergonomic design and foldable handle make transportation effortless, weighing in at just 14.11 pounds. This lightweight and portable nature make it an ideal companion for camping trips, tailgating events, or any situation where reliable power is essential. Equipped with industry-leading battery management system, BMS technology, the Explorer 500 ensures both safety and efficiency during operation. It protects against overcharging, short circuits, and other potential hazards, providing peace of mind to users. Moreover, the Explorer 500 features multiple ports to accommodate various devices, including AC outlets, DC carport, and USB ports, allowing you to charge or power multiple devices simultaneously. This versatility makes it suitable for charging smartphones, laptops, mini fridges, and even small appliances like CPAP machines during outdoor excursions or power outages. 3. ALLPOWERS Monster X S2000. The ALLPOWERS S2000, also known as Monster X S2000, emerges as a robust solution in the realm of portable power stations, boasting a substantial 1,500 watt lithium-ion battery capacity. Its formidable capabilities cater to diverse power needs, making it a versatile asset for various scenarios. With a continuous output of 2,000 W and a peak output of 4,000 W to tackle surges, the S2000 ensures consistent and reliable power delivery. Its efficient charging options further enhance its usability. Whether through an AC wall outlet, solar panels employing MPPT technology, or even a 12V/24V car charger, the S2000 can swiftly replenish its energy reserves. Notably, dual charging functionality enables simultaneous AC and solar charging, maximizing efficiency. Equipped with an array of ports, including AC outlets, USB-C PD 100W ports, USB AQ-C3, 0 fast charge ports, standard USB-A ports, and a 12V car outlet, the S2000 accommodates a spectrum of devices. Its features extend beyond mere power provision, incorporating a digital display for monitoring key metrics and Bluetooth connectivity for seamless control via the ALLPOWERS app, augmented with a pure SYN wave output and a comprehensive battery management system, BMS. The S2000 guarantees compatibility with sensitive electronics while safeguarding against potential hazards like overload and overheating. The ALLPOWERS S2000 epitomizes power, versatility, and reliability for camping, RVing, off-grid living, or as a fail-safe backup, while its newer iteration, the S2000 Pro, offers enhanced peak power, catering to consumers' demand for uncompromising performance. 4. Yucatel P2001 Power Station. The Yucatel P2001 stands out as a robust solution for powering devices both at home and on the go. With its substantial 2,000 WH capacity, This portable power station ensures uninterrupted power supply during emergencies, outdoor excursions, or as a reliable backup for essential appliances. At the core of its functionality lies its impressive performance, capable of delivering a constant 2,000 W of AC power, enabling it to handle even the most demanding appliances with ease. Additionally, its surge rating of 4,000 W ensures resilience against sudden power spikes, providing peace of mind during usage. Charging the P2001 is a breeze, offering versatility through multiple charging options, whether it's through a standard wall outlet, compatible solar panels of up to 500 W for eco-friendly charging, or even through a car's cigarette lighter port. Recharging this power station is convenient and efficient. Moreover, its versatile outputs, including AC outlets, DC ports, and a USB-C port, cater to various devices and charging needs, ensuring compatibility and flexibility. However, it's worth noting that its weight at 48 pounds and the additional cost of purchasing solar panels may be considerations for potential buyers. 5. Bluetti AC200 Portable Power Station. The Bluetti AC200P stands as a beacon of off-grid power, offering a formidable solution for camping, RV adventures, emergencies, and even home use. At its core lies a substantial 2,000-watt lithium iron phosphate LiFePO4 battery capable of being recharged through diverse means, including solar panels, wall outlets, or car chargers. Its prowess extends further with a robust 2,000 W pure sine wave inverter capable of surging up to 4,800 W for brief periods, ensuring a reliable power source wherever you go. Highlighted by its comprehensive features, the AC200P presents itself as a powerhouse. With 6 120 VAC outlets, a USB-C PD 100W outlet, 3 USB A5V/3A outlets, a 12V/30A DC outlet, and even a wireless charging pad, it accommodates a myriad of devices. Its compatibility with solar panels, boasting up to 700 W input, reinforces its autonomy in off-grid scenarios. Additionally, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity enables seamless monitoring and control through the Bluetti app, offering convenience at your fingertips. However, amidst its allure, considerations arise. The price point, hovering around $1,199, positions it as a premium investment. Its weight, furthermore, while compatible with various solar panels, their separate purchase adds to the initial investment. In conclusion, portable EV charging stations are indispensable for today's electric vehicle drivers. Whether embarking on a journey or needing a quick charge away from home, these chargers provide flexibility, convenience, and reassurance. With options tailored to Tesla or compatible with diverse EVs, they cater to all preferences. Embrace mobility's future with these essential accessories. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you!